Tired of slow external drives? Want to boost your laptop's speed? Look no further. Introducing the UGREEN SSD Enclosure. This compact and portable device is a game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their storage. Key feature: 110 gigabits per second speed. With USB 3.2 Gen 2, this enclosure delivers blazing fast transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. Say goodbye to long wait times. Key feature: 2 tool-free installation. Installation is a breeze. Simply slide your M.2 NVMe SSD into the enclosure and you're ready to go. Key feature: 3 broad compatibility. The UGREEN enclosure supports a wide range of operating systems and M.2 NVMe SSD sizes, ensuring compatibility with your devices. Key feature: for security and stability. With advanced protection against short circuit, overcurrent, and other issues, your valuable data is always safe. Key feature: 5 compact and portable. The UGREEN enclosure's slim design and lightweight construction make it perfect for on-the-go use. Ready to upgrade your storage? Click the link below to purchase your UGREEN SSD enclosure today. Experience the future of storage with the UGREEN SSD enclosure. Fast, reliable, and easy to use.